Good morning and welcome to this session where we learn success from the book Master Money Sex Power. I invite you to buy this book from Amazon or Flipkart. Today is day 1, so we read chapter 1, verse 8. My son, pay attention to the instruction of your father and do not disobey the teachings of your mother. Now, here, the wise man Solomon is saying some core instructions. If you read the chapter 1, he actually teaches certain core informations, core teachings. So it can have certain fine tuning in your own personal lives. It talks about a son. Now, many blessings only sons can have or daughters can have. Everybody begins with zero, but a son always begins where the father ends. He has a legacy. So please understand one thing. If you really want to start much ahead in life, you want to start with a success, you need to actually be a son. Please understand this. Many children, they behave as if they are orphans. At least I remember my life. When I was quite young, I lived like an orphan. Though I had a father and mother, I was not accountable to them. I was doing my own thing. It was my friends who were very important for me. I'm not saying this is wrong. This is good. This is very beautiful. Friends are very important. But not at the cost of forsaking what your father and mother says. Many young people in today's world, when they are 16 or 18, they go out of the house and they live on themselves. In many countries, they become very independent. They have so many reasons for it. But whatever reason it may be, the truth is always the truth. Truth cannot change no matter which country you live in, which era you live in. It says, my son. So sons, they have all the blessings. Sons have all the blessings because they begin where the father ends. Otherwise, orphans begin at zero, but sons begin maybe at infinity. The father can reach them to that area. Now it says, pay attention to the instruction of your dad. See, dad has a different equation with the son. Mother has a different equation with the son. Today, dad is more harsh. He's more straightforward. He's more strict. And he's a man in our life. I tell you, mothers are very tender, kind, very motherly, very nursing, very caring. So usually, sons are liking the mothers more than the fathers. Nothing wrong. Your mothers are very important, but not at the cost of forsaking your dad as if he doesn't exist in your life. He doesn't mean anything in your life. Please understand this. You should pay attention to the command of your father. Here it says instruction. To the fathers give instruction. They talk less, but they are more profound and comprehensive. Whatever the father says, it is very few words, but it has a scope, more scope. Whatever the mother says, it's like instruction manual. It's a teaching, it's a law. Okay, it has lot of things to say. The mother will tell you how to get up, what to do, how to eat, how to wash your plate. There are 100 things the mother will teach. But the father will not teach 100 things. He will teach you one thing. I still remember, my father gave me 2 laws about money. That's it. Day-to-day expenditure, how to save money, my mother taught me. If I spend more, she will tell me, hey, why are you spending more? My father will not say anything. He just lived an example of 2 laws. Why I say this? First of all, you need to be a son. Second, you need to honor your father, honor your mother. In any case, you don't have a father or mother. You need to find one. Please understand, sometimes nature takes away our father from us. Sometimes fathers are not available for the children. They are lost, they are dead, they are out of station. There can be a number of reasons for the absence of a father. But in that case, what you will do? You will find a father and you will take your instructions from him. You will take your commands from him. You can find a spiritual father or a teacher or a mentor. Anyone who can actually guide you in your life. It actually helps you a lot. That's why it says, my son, pay attention to the instruction of your dad and do not disobey the teachings of the mother. Sometimes people are very disobedient to the mothers. They do all the masti with the mothers. It's okay, but be very careful, because the law of the mother is something which will help you in your life. When you push out those laws, when you don't take heed to that, I'll tell you it will cost a lot in your life, because she will teach you how to live, how to take care of every day. So it is important, my sons, my daughters, you find out a father, find out a mother, and walk in their instructions and walk in their teachings. Then automatically your life will be blessed and you will be a blessing. Hope you enjoyed today's session. Thank you for joining. We will meet tomorrow, same time. God bless you.